This 2021 Forest River Sabre 38DBQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, smoke detector, DVD player, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, leveling jacks, oven, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sabre 38DBQ is 12,493 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.